the last 24 hours, the Manipur Police recovered 2 unexploded mortar HE bombs from Harau Tail, Kangpokpi district during their frequent search operations and area domination exercises in the fringe and vulnerable areas of hill and valley districts. Meanwhile, in a similar operation which was conducted in various districts of Manipur, the police ensured movement of 67 and 273 vehicles along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2 respectively, with essential items. Strict security measures have been taken up in all vulnerable locations and security convoy is provided in sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles. A total of 103 checkpoints were installed in different districts of Manipur, both in the hill and valley, and police detained 212 persons in connection with violations in different districts of the state. The police during their search operation exercise at Mark Hill, Kangpokpi district, recovered 1 AK-47 rifle along with magazine, 1 HK-33 rifle along with magazine, 1 triple barrel rifle, 1.22 rifle, 1 bolt action rifle, 1 12-inch single bore barrel rifle, 1 HE-36 hand grenade, 1 Motorola radio set, 10 lab ammunition rounds, 75 fired cases, 1 broken incised rifle magazine, 1 machete, 3 bulletproof jackets, 2 black clothes, 4 blankets, 1 jungle shoe, 2 backpack bags, 1 black rain cape, 1 combat coat.